Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to make a quick tutorial how to make a shooter game. So here's it. Let's look at the costumes. So I make a simple player like this, and a bullet, small bullet, and a black stage. So let's go to code. One green file clicked. We go to X, 0, Y, 0, and forever if key up arrow pressed, then we will move by 5 steps, and then if this right arrow pressed, then we will turn 3 degrees, just like that. We'll turn anti-clockwise 3 degrees, left arrow. So now you can move, and then so that's it. Go to bullet, go to one green file clicked, forever. You'll hide it first. You'll go if key space pressed, then we will create clone of myself. We'll wait 0.5 seconds, and then when I start a clone, we'll show. We will go to back layer, and then we'll go to player. We'll repeat until operators, or no, repeat until touching edge, and then we will point. I will point in direction. Player, direction of player, then repeat until touching edge. We will move 15 steps. So let's see how it's up. And there you go. And finally, we'll delete this clone. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.